Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video on some behind the scenes of how I take product photos. So today I took a trip to Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So I am in Hobby Lobby right now and I'm going through their paper section looking to see what type of posters that matches my brand colors that I want to go with. I know I wanted to go with a plain white, and I also wanted to see what other colored poster paper they had. So this is a great way for you to, add some spunk, add some spice to your product photos, is to get colored poster paper. So I ended up choosing this one, but as you'll see in the other clip, there were some other colored poster paper that I wanted, and I'll tell you why I was not able to get it. So these over here were too thick, and I wanted to be able to bend or position my poster paper in a way that I'm able to fold it and not damage it too much. So I really love this sage green color. However, this paper was too thin. It was more for like drawing and things like that. So that's why I did not get it. So now I'm here at Michael's and I'm in their craft section. I don't know what you call this, stickers or scrapbooking section. And I was just trying to see if they had any type of like small little props that I can add to my flat lay photography. I didn't find anything. I was just like, it's too much. So I went into this, I don't know if this is their dollar spot or dollar section, but it's towards the front near the registers. And I was skimming through to see what I could find. And then I saw this little box with stationery supplies and stuff like that. So I was just like, I might be able to do something with it. So I did not initially grab it. I just kind of left it and I came back when I couldn't find anything else. So I was also going back and forth with this pen. It had like nice things on it, but I was just like, no, I'm not gonna take it. So I looked around again and I found these paper clips and I was just like, okay, so this is all I'm gonna get. Okay, hey y'all, so I just wanted to show you, this is just like my little cart here that I have my silhouette machine, which is actually on the floor right now so I can take these pictures. But I just wanted to show you that you don't have to spend too much money for good quality product photos. This is a pink poster paper that I got from Hobby Lobby, and there's a white one right here too. I got this from Michael. This is about $5, I believe. It just went along with my brand colors. So I just took like the pencil sharpener and like the staple, and they, I also bought a pack of paper clips. I also sell similar paper clips in my shop, which is this right here. So I do have the two different colors. I actually have another one with the canary yellow, but these are the ones that I just took out for the photos. This is like a dish that I had already. So you look around your house, see what you already have. And these are my affirmation, 31 days of affirmations deck. I do apologize, my kids are in the background. This is my Boss Babe daily planner. And of course, gratitude journal and a pen. And I have my She Believed She Could and So She Did pencil. So I have two ring lights. I have this one, and then I have this big one right here. This one gives me better lighting versus this one. This one is more so for like small things that I have going on. And don't mind my nails, these things are popping off. Anyways, so I just wanted to show you the setup. And I like to have this cart because I can push it back and forth and things like that up against the wall for some support for the poster paper. And that's about it. So if I want to, here's a quick tip. If you want to be able to have the pink, well, whatever color you have as your background, what you would do is to curve it up against the wall, and then what you would do is just sit your product up. So I would take the journal, sit it up. Okay, so I have it like that, right? So I have it sitting up, and then, I'm sorry guys, I'm moving stuff out of my way. And then you would put your pen or whatever other accessories you have. Let's see here. And then you can just snap your photo like this. Let me turn on the light. So I have my light on right now. So I can position myself in a way so that I can take a good shot, make any adjustments necessary. Making the adjustments necessary, and then fix the lighting to where I want it. This is not where I would want the light. Hold on, I have to adjust the I didn't get that. Could you try again? I'm not talking to you, Siri. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm just using one hand to hold the camera and this light, you guys. All right. Alright, so I think this is the lighting that I want, and I can just snap this photo like this. Okay, so I'm gonna pause so I can take a quick photo to show you how it looks real quick. Okay, so that's about it. Of course, you can always add more props. Yes. You know, do whatever you want to do. You guys can see if I do a flat lay. Throw some of these paper clips to the side or something. And put my light over it. And I'll snap. I can snap this shot like this, okay? So, when you're using the white, you just have to be careful on what products that you're putting on the white. So just be mindful of that, because sometimes, like for example, if you're putting white on white, it probably won't be a good idea. It probably won't look as good as if you would put it on a colored background. So yeah, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. And then also make sure that you use contrasting colors. So this pink against this, I'm not a huge fan of it. So I don't know what type of photos I would take with this. I may have to get another poster for my affirmations deck. I'm not sure. I just have to play around with it and see how I want to position it. And that's about it. So this is a quick video on some product photo tips, and I hope this video was helpful to you. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment letting me know if you have a business. Put your Instagram handle just so I can follow you on Instagram. And you guys, thank you so much for watching. Y'all be blessed.